And then Radharani speaks a verse from Govinda Lilamrita, at least that's the bhav or the mood. Mahaprabhu says, Nadaj jala niswana shravana karshi sach chinjita sanarma rasa suchaka karsha pararta bang yuktita ramadika varangana hridaya hari vamshikala ramadika varangana hridaya hari vamshikala sa me marana mohana saki tanoti karna spriham sa me marana mohana Saki. Oh Saki, that Marana Mohan has a voice as deep as a cloud resounding in the sky, and the tinkling of his ornaments attracts the ears of the gopis. With the sound of his flute, Madan Mohan attracts even Lakshmi Devi and all the beautiful women. Vara Angana. Ramadika Vara Angana. So Angana means Varangana means beautiful limbs, which is the lady describing the beauty of women. Ramadika, beginning with Lakshmi Devi and all beautiful women, they're attracted to Krishna. As a voice as deep as a cloud resounding in the sky, with the tinkling of his ornaments, he attracts the ears of the gopis. And with the sound of his flute, he attracts Lakshmi Devi and all other beautiful women. Rama Adika Varangana. That Madan Mohan, whose joking words carry many indications and deep meanings, is increasing the lusty desires of my ears. Vamshikala sa me Madana Mohana Saki Tanoti Spriham. It's quite an interesting translation. Rita Hari. Amazing purported translation. Because the actual translation, Karna Spriham, says, I hear all these things in my ear, then manifesting, Spriha means manifesting, I believe. So Madan Mohan, who I'm hearing his flute and his voice and his ornaments, hearing him, he's manifesting before me.